So yeah, I hope you're having a good time. It's July 4th, 2015. We're lighting up fireworks, okay, folks? Are you taking a video? Look at Daddy's taking. Hello. Daddy's making fireworks right now. It's amazing. Watch. This is a hand clapper.
There's stuff happening all around.
Yes, there is. And just so you know, those new little golden lights we just bought today. Whoa! Here we go.
That was nice. I like that one.
Word.
Sophia.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Getting bored.